Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'll tell you how to enable screenshot notifications on Instagram. So unfortunately Instagram does not have general setting to enable screenshot notifications from DMs, inside DMs. However, there is this situation when you enable Vanish Mode, and when a person makes screenshot of that photo, you'll be notified in the chat. So let's open direct message chat, and now you want to swipe up just like this, so that you enabled disappearing messages mode. In other words, it's called Vanish Mode. And if other person screenshots anything when this mode is turned on, you will be notified. As you can see, here is the message that this user took a screenshot. So yeah, that is the only way how you can be notified when someone from the other side is making a screenshot nowadays on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.